Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Lego rover. And these are the pieces that we will need for this Lego rover. So now let's start the build. So first we'll attach this piece that has a stud to this cone shaped piece like that. And now we need to get 4 1x1 bricks and attach them like that. And now we have to get this part of a wheel and attach these things over here and one over here. So this thing is basically one of these red pieces and one of these pieces that can attach an axle to it and a connector. So we added this one over there. So that's basically what it is. So now we'll just do this last one. And make sure these connector pieces are facing downwards. Now we should attach these wheel pieces like this. So these are basically one of these brown things and this connector that's half axle, half a connector. And there's this piece that's smaller that can fix axle in it and a connector. And this is a connector that's big. And that's basically what it is. So now you have to attach this one there and this one there. So this one there and this one there. Now we have to start putting this 4x10 plate under this wheel and snap them together like that. And then leave 4 studs and put another pair of wheels and snap them. And now we're gonna get one of this 2x6 plate and attach it half on the 4x10 plate at the bottom. And now we have to attach this 4x4 plate onto the half of the 2x6 plate. And then we have to attach the pair of wheel on there. Your build should look like this up until now. Now we have to attach this 2x4 plate over here and another one here and do the same over here. Your build should look like this. Now we have to start putting the 2x4 bricks. So they will go like this. So first you have to put this one there and this 2x4 brick here and keep doing it until the full space is finished. Like this. And at the end we could put the 2x4 brick like this. The bricks could be any color that we are using, but they have to be the same size. Now we have to attach this 2x6 brick like this over here. And now we have to attach another 2x6 brick the exact same way over here. And now we have to attach another 2x6 brick like this. And one last one over here. Your build should look like this up till now. Now we have to attach this 1x6 brick at the side and attach one 1x4 brick and a 1x2 brick here. And now we have to attach one 2x4 brick in the middle of these other bricks. Now our base is done. So now we have to build the upper layer. So now we have to attach one 2x6 brick at the side and another one at the other side, like this. Now we have to attach this 2x4 brick in the middle, and it should go like that, horizontally, like this, and keep going until it gets to the end. And now we have to attach this 1x4 brick at the other side and one more, and do the same on the other side and one more. And now we have to add 1x2 bricks on both sides. And now we have to do the other layer. So first we have to attach this 2x4 brick vertically and another 2x4 brick vertically and another one, and also do them at the sides and keep continuing like this and this. We have to attach this piece over here and this 1x2 brick here. And now we have to attach this 1x4 brick here and this 1x2 brick here. And now we have to do one last layer. So this 2x6 brick goes here, and this 2x6 brick goes here, and this 2x4 brick goes here horizontally, and keep going until you reach the end like this. And now we have to attach this 1x4 brick over there and 1x2 brick here and another one and one more, and keep attaching 1x2 bricks on the other side like this. And now we have to attach this 2x 2x13 plate over here in the middle first and snap it. It should be tight so your rover doesn't break. And now you could put them on the sides like this. And now put one 1x6 plate here, and one 1x3, and another 1x3 plate. And now we can add the camera over here. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel